Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Jan, and avid followers of my channel remember that in November 23 I did a makeover of a majorette Ford Capri. My dad asked me why I didn't do it in white, as this was a car of his dad. I answered that the majorette model was a Capri Mark II and Grandpa drove a Mark I with his distinctive vents on the side. The Ford Capri Mark I was introduced in 1969 at the Brussels Motor Show. With the Capri, Ford wanted to make a European version of the iconic Ford Mustang. The Capri was based on the Cortina and produced in the Ford factories in Germany, Belgium and the UK. Production of the Mark I lasted until the end of 1973 when the car was replaced by the Mark II. The Matchbox model was introduced in 1971 as a follow-up to the Cadillac ambulance. First in pink with a black hood and from 1972 up to 1976 in dark metallic red. Other than being pretty play-worn, there's not a lot wrong with this 54C Ford Capri on the turntable. But since it's a Mark I, it will get a makeover as my grandpa's car with some custom detailing. So we'll get out the tools and give this model a makeover. The Ford Capri Mark I was my grandfather's car. Lesney didn't issue it in white, so I took the liberty to take this play-worn model and customize it. Its suspension was riveted on crooked at the factory, damaging it, and the front axle was also bent. I got a donor car without an engine hood to donate the suspension and new wheels with straight axles. And here we are after the makeover. I tried to recreate the car of my grandfather as best as I could. In spite of the new suspension, the car is slightly tilted on its wheels. My initial idea was to fit the Greenlight Ford Capri wheels, as I was convinced that I had those, but I was wrong. So when I find some proper Ford Capri wheels, I might make a follow-up video and give Grandpa's car the wheels it deserves. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.